to you all jewelry maker guys. Today we have a very different tutorial. We are going to learn about how to make this wire coils. Are so beautiful and so practical in making so many different jewelries that I will explain in further videos. And also we had a tutorial in wire ball earring in previous video. So let's go making this wire coils. I have a very tricky way. We need a wire of about 1.3 to 1.5 diameter, and we need this shape. Let's go and make this shape together. You need your chain nose pliers, something like this. A structure like this is sufficient. And okay, there are so many ways that we could do that, but this is so easy and you don't need, so many tools. And then with your round nose pliers, make a loop like, and then again with your chain nose pliers, keep it tight and pull. Okay, this is all good. Then it's ready for you to make a coil. And how? Okay, pick up your cute tool and your wire of about 0.3 to 0.4 or even 0.5 maybe, and then tie it tight here. Just here, make a tie and fix it like this, and then wrap it all around this wire and continue doing that repeatedly, just like this. You should pull the wire so that it would wrap all around the wire and completely sit on the wire. You could pay more attention to put every loop just side to side, but you could do that loose, just something like this, and with distances, so that after a while you push it and have this very beautiful and neat structure. So continue that for the length you desire, just like weaving with needle, and so easy. And jewelries with wire coils are so beautiful and professional looking. After you finished coiling, you need to cut it out. You just need to open the tie in one side and cut it out. And cut it at the end, and then ta-da, this is your cool and beautiful wire coil. As you see, we have some weaving parts here. It's because of our main structure, so you should be careful that your main structure should be tight and straight. With this coiling, you could make so many beautiful pieces that could be used for earring, something like rings, bracelets, or so many other jewelries. I hope you have enjoyed this trick, of course, and if you like this, just comment it below. Thank you for watching this video. I love you so much, and bye bye.